Hello and welcome back to another episode of Words Well Read. Today, we will explore two idioms commonly used in conversation, each with a unique meaning. So let's dive in and discover what these phrases are all about. First up, we have early bird catches the worm. Early bird catches the worm. This means that the person who wakes up early and starts their day with energy and purpose is more likely to succeed and find opportunities than those who wait until later. In this case, the worm represents a reward or opportunity that is waiting for someone to take advantage of it. But if you wait too long, someone else might grab it first. Here is a sentence example. Whenever there is a big sale, Emily is the first one to arrive at the store, knowing that the early bird catches the worm. And to drive this message home, we would like to share a little poem with you. Early bird gets the worm, they say. Start your day and don't delay. The world is yours to make a mark, so rise and shine and light the spark. The morning air, it's fresh and new, the perfect time to start anew. So spread your wings and take to flight, and make the most of morning light. Next, our second idiom is the ball is in your court. This means that it is now someone else's turn to take action or make a decision, especially in a situation where a back and forth exchange is happening. In a tennis match, for example, if the ball is in your court, it's up to you to decide how to hit it and where to aim. Here is a sentence example. I have sent the proposal to the client. Now the ball is in their court to decide if they want to work with us. And that's it for today's lesson, folks. Remember, idioms can be a fun and creative way to express ideas and feelings. So keep exploring and expanding your vocabulary. Until next time, happy learning.